Hi, this is Dario from Dario's Cooking, and I'll be making buckeyes today. Okay, so first you gotta get your stand mixer out, or you could use an electric hand mixer. Stand mixers are way easier, so that's why I got it. And fit your stand mixer with the paddle bit, or paddle attachment, and you're gonna add a cup of peanut butter. And we're gonna add a 4th cup of butter, or fake butter. And let's turn it on low for like 30 seconds. Alright, it should look kind of like a creamy paste thingy. And so you're gonna scrape the bowl down. And add some vanilla, but I didn't have vanilla, so I'm just gonna skip that. It's probably gonna pay off, but we'll see. Now let's add a cup of powdered sugar. Then we're gonna add another cup of powdered sugar. And then we're going to mix it for a while until it looks very workable, kind of like Play-Doh. Okay, that takes care of that. It looks pretty nice. Workable, pretty rollable, I think. Yeah, it's rollable. It's like, so now we're gonna put it into a cookie sheet, even though we're not gonna bake it. Let's roll the cookies into balls, and then we'll let them chill for 15 minutes to half an hour, or longer. Actually, the longer the better, but don't have time. While the buckeyes are chilling, let's add about 1.5 cups of chocolate chips to a bowl, and then put it in the microwave for maybe, put it for like 1.5 minutes, but put it for 30 seconds, then mix it around, another 30 seconds, then mix it around, and then another 30 seconds, and mix it around again. So now let's mix the chocolate around, because it should be like pretty melted, but there can still be a little bit of stuff on the top, the chocolate on the top. This is beautiful. Now, let's get the buckeyes out of the fridge and start dipping. I'll show you how to dip when I get them out. Beautiful buckeyes. Now, you're going to need toothpicks for this project. So, get some toothpicks out, and then I'll show you how to do it. Alright. So, let's stick a toothpick in one of the cooled ones. Stick it in the chocolate, but don't stick it all the way. Just stick it a little bit more than halfway. See? I mean, maybe a little bit more, yeah. Uh-oh. Okay. Now, repeat that process until all of your cookies are done. This is the person everybody loves. This is Vera, my sister. You guys are just learned about the channel. But if you have been following the channel since the beginning, then this is Vera. Vera, you can't try it yet. Alright, we're going to be trying these buckeyes. So, see how they are, Vera. Okay. You want to try it first? Try some. Do you like it? You're just nodding. That's it.
Good.
You like it?
Really good.
It's really good. The only part that's not great is the chocolate has like a coconut-y flavor because I put a little too much coconut oil. But other than that, really good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button because that would help me a lot. And because I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers before the end of the year. So thank you for watching this video.